Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Fit to your mobile device. Okay, so let's get started.
Before starting, please ensure that your mobile device is compatible with a Galaxy Fit. Connect the Galaxy Fit to the charger. Make sure the Bluetooth feature is activated on your mobile device. Launch the Galaxy Wearable app. If necessary, update the Galaxy Wearable app to the latest version. Tap Start the journey. Select your device on the screen. If you cannot find your device, tap Mine's Not Here. Tap Turn on when the Bluetooth activation request window appears. Tap the target Galaxy Fit device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. When completing the connection, a watch face will appear on the Galaxy Fit screen. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method, you can easily connect your Samsung Galaxy Fit to your mobile device. If you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.